What'll I do? What'll I do? What an unusual view. I am not the type to faint when things are odd or things are quaint, but seeing things you know that ain't can certainly give you an awful fright. What a sight!
Chase 'em away, chase 'em away, I'm afraid, need your aid, big elephants on parade. Pink elephants.